are going to teach you how to make an icosahedron frame. And like this, first you need a hexagonal corner, but you will have this, and put some 5 on it, and put some rods on the triangle, and you will fold it. But this one is called the hexagonal pyramid. Now put in triangles, but you need 12 dots. And like this. Now, but use an orange, pink. Put an pink version like this. Like this to make an icosahedron frame. We have an icosahedron frame.
Oh,
you are like this.
It's so
have
fast.
A corner.
How many corners?
It's 12 corners, 30 edges, and 12 faces.
Sorry?
So now
Again, how many edges?
it has 30 edges,
And
20 faces, and 12 vertices. Now I will smash it.